Welcome students to Gokul Education Society's online teaching program for the academic year 2020-21. We begin with Kumar Bharati for standard 9 students. The content of standard 9th English is divided into 4 units. Let us begin with unit 1 and its subunit 1.1. A poem on life written by Charlotte Bronte. Charlotte Bronte tells us that life is not a dream, it is a pleasant day. This is a motivating and optimistic poem which encourages the readers to take a positive view of life, especially during the periods of hardship and difficulties. We must never give up. Hope must always be with us. Hope is always there to help us go on in life forever. Children, do you know many popular lines on life? Different people say some definition about life. Everyone's opinion about life is totally different. Can you make some popular lines about yourself? Okay, let us see. Life is a game, play it well. According to some people, life is a journey, keep going ahead. Some people say life is like an ice cream, enjoy before it melts. Life is like a glass, enjoy it before it cracks or breaks. According to others, life is like a slate, carve or draw good things on it. Some people also say that life is like a race, complete it by winning. Life is like a camera, face it with a smile. Life is like a journey, keep going ahead. So, children, a homework for you people that you are going to make some metamorphical lines based on life, at least 10. Let us begin with the poem. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. The poetess in the stanza takes a positive view of life. She says that life is not a dark dream, like the saints or sages say. Instead, it is like a little rain in the morning, which brings new hope and a pleasant day after it. That is to say, if we have difficulties or hardships in life, doesn't matter. One fine day, happiness will follow it. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament it falls? In the second stanza, the poet talks about that in our life there are clouds of gloom. Children, gloom means some problems of difficult times in our life, which are all temporary. But if a little rain helps the roses to blossom, why should we feel unhappy about it? Same likewise, if the problems we face make for better times ahead, why should we feel grief? Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours fleet by. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. Here, life's sunny hours means life's happy days. Fleet by means flew away or to migrate. According to the poet, the happy hours of our life will flew by very quickly and merrily. It is up to you that we must enjoy them very happily and thankfully as they go by. The poet further says that some clouds which are dark in our life, they too makes us unhappy. We must, however, remember that this too will pass and the sunny hours will come back to make our life once again cheerful and happy forever. What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win o'er hope a heavy sway? Here, o'er means over and sway means to call. According to the poet, he says that when there is death in the family or when we face some big problem or difficult times, We must accept it if at times when the near people are not with us. It also does not matter if sorrow seems to be winning over hope. Yet hope again elastic springs, unconquered though she fell, still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. The poet says that hope is never down for long time. Since hope is unconquerable, hope will again spring up with great elasticity as it is undefeated, even though it had been overcome. It is always rising and coming up to our help, as hope has golden wings and hope will come out glorious and victorious. The poet further stress that we must learn to face trials, disasters, and problems which are there in our life with the help of hope and courage. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously, can courage quell despair. The poet, in the concluding part of the poem, says that we must bear our days of difficulties or hardship very bravely and fearlessly. For the courage to face our problems can succeed very wonderfully in helping us to suppress or despair. Thus, we have completed the poem on life.